Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Filmora video editing series. So in the last class we have discussed about the audio. So now we are going to move to the text option. So in this titles option, so what you have to do, if you want any text, you guys can use them. So as you can see, I'm going to download this one and I'm going to download this one. So as we have discussed in the last class, this icon means if we have to download this. So I'm going to download this one as well, and as you can see it's downloaded. So what we have to do, we have to drag this here. I want this one here, so I'm gonna down and try it. So now we have to click here.
This woman was.
So as you can see, has the text. If you want to edit the text, you have to double click on it and you guys can edit the text. You can also edit the text here. This is the text properties. These are all text properties, that what font style should be, what should be size, and the alignments of it, bold, italic, and all the things are provided here. In the anti section, for example, if you want in the anti, I want the love, so you have to write the love, and the Valentine's, I want whatever you want. Whatever you guys want, you can do that. So if you want to change the color, you can also do that. And you have some basic properties as well, like text space, line space adjustment, all the things are provided here. And if you want to scale a screen, increase the scale, you guys can do that. If you want to rotate it, you can also do that. So I'm going to do Control Z. So I'm going to do this. And if you want to move this, you guys can also move this anywhere, wherever you want. So for example, I want this here, so you guys have to also move this one here, and we are going to move these shapes as well. So as you can see, in this way you can move these. If you want any other one, you guys can also get that. As you can see, a lot of text is here. If you want to search anything or related to any group, for example, I want for the subscribe, so you have to write the subscribe and then press the enter. You will see the text and the animation related to subscribe, like for the YouTube and all other platforms, like for the Facebook. So as you can see here, it provided us related to subscribe. You guys can download them and use them into your video. If you want to see the preview, you have to click on this. So as you can see, it's working. So these all will be in the download section. If you want to put anyone in the favorite section, you guys can also do that. So if you want, you have to go to the recommended it. So in this section you will see like this, and if you want to watch new, in the new section you will see some new facts, some new text, titles, and all things. So in this way you guys can use the title option. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the title and how you can add the text in your video and make your video more engaging and more attractive. So see you guys in the next video.